The magnetic susceptibility is negative for. From the given 4 option, we need to find which is the right answer for the given statement. We're supposed to know some of the important properties of the magnetic susceptibility. That is, it is a proportionality constant which determines the degree of magnetization of a material with respect to the applied magnetic field. It is due to the interactions of electrons and nuclei with the applied magnetic field. The magnetic susceptibility is the ratio of magnetization to the applied magnetizing field intensity. The mathematical expression for it is x is equal to m/h, where x is equal to magnetic susceptibility, m is equal to magnetization, and h is equal to field intensity. By observing all these things, we can say diamagnetic material or the magnetic materials that align against the magnetic field. The magnetic susceptibility of a diamagnetic material is less than 0. This means there is a magnetic material always has a negative value of magnetic susceptibility. Then we can say the diamagnetic material. Option A is our right answer.